Hello everyone, today's menu will be lemon butter green beans. This side dish is buttery with the perfect amount of lemon. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. Make sure to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. With the baking sheet lined with foil, place the bacons flat. You can cook them on the stovetop if you prefer. I prefer to bake them because it's less mess. Here I have garlic cloves that I'm just going to slightly press it down and then chop it into smaller pieces. And then just set it to the side. Here I have a lemon and I'm just zesting. If you don't have a grater, you can cut the lemon peel into smaller pieces and then throw them in a very strong food processor. Or you can just squeeze out the lemon and use the juice instead. Whichever way you choose is still going to taste fantastic with the lemon flavor. You want to fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Add in the green beans and cook for 15 minutes or until tender. Then drain and transfer to a large bowl. And then here we have the cooked bacons, and I'm just going to chop them up into smaller pieces. You can cut them as big or as little as you would like. In a medium pan over medium-high heat, toss in the butter, the garlic, sprinkle in some salt and pepper. Give it a quick mix to combine. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes or until butter is melted. After a couple minutes, we're going to toss in the lemon zest and then give it a good mix to combine everything well. You'll want to cook this for about 30 to 40 seconds. If it cooks too fast, then lower the heat. And then I'm just going to pour the butter lemon mixture all over the green beans and make sure to get every little nooks and cranny out of that pan. And then we're just going to give it a nice mix, toss it around to coat it evenly. And then when it's all nicely coated, transfer it to a serving platter and sprinkle on the cooked bacons. Here is the end results of the lemon butter green beans. I hope you will give this a try. The measurements are in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will get my latest videos. Bye!